Hi, I'm Jen Fidel, and this is how to make homemade dog shampoo without vinegar. Many homemade dog shampoo recipes call for vinegar because it neutralizes the pH of the shampoo. However, if your dog has very, very sensitive skin, the overuse of vinegar can cause them to have irritation. So, the key to our formula today is the combination of 1 cup of water, 1 teaspoon of aloe vera, 1 teaspoon of a very, very gentle dish detergent, dish soap, and 1 teaspoon of olive oil. So it's really just that easy. We are finished. Taking our funnel out, putting our lid on. Use whatever bottle you're comfortable with. I like to use a spray. Just give it a quick shake, and you're ready to give your dog a vinegar-free bath. Thanks for watching.